As a real estate agent, what if you could write a full-size printed real estate book that you could use to promote yourself above and beyond the other agents in your area? And better yet, you could print as many books as you like for free for massive distribution. It would be amazing, right? And clients and referral partners would see you as an authority as opposed to just another real estate agent. But we've been told that writing real estate books is hard. We've been told that it's expensive, and we've been told that it will take months of painful time to write. Well, throw all that out the window because it's just not true. In our upcoming training, I will show you how you can have your very own full-size printed real estate book in your hand that was written 100% by you and that you own 100%. You don't have to pay anyone any licensing or subscription fees. Then we show you how you can get those books paid for unlimited printing so that you're never afraid to hand out as many books as you like. And it's not what you think. Join me on an upcoming training where your mind will expand tenfold as you realize that you can, in fact, have your very own real estate book. Oh, and here's a good part. You don't even have to be an author or writer or English major to write your own book. Also, it doesn't matter what your experience is. You can be in the business for 25 years, just like me, or you can be a brand new agent. It doesn't matter. Click the link now to join me on this amazing training, and we'll see you in print soon.